If you are a small creator and have never made money on YouTube, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money without even hitting 1000 subscribers. This is the exact way I have been earning through YouTube on both of my channels, and I started with only 300 subscribers. When I started my first YouTube channel, my sole goal was to hit 1000 subs and 4000 watch hours so that I can earn from AdSense. Shock on me. When I finally did, the pay was so low that it felt it didn't deserve the effort I was putting in. But that was until I discovered other ways to make money on YouTube outside of AdSense. In this video, I'll share 3 ways you can do the same so that you can benefit like other creators. Make sure to stick to the end because number 3 is the easiest and most profitable. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is recommending other people's products, and each time someone clicks on your unique link and buys a product or a service, you earn a commission. This is the easiest way to make money online because in this digital era, people are frequently buying things online. From digital products like courses, softwares, to physical products, your audience are already spending money. What you'll be doing is just recommending products and you get paid. And you don't need to invest any money. If you have been watching my content, this is something I have been doing on this channel. I often promote things like proxies, specifically the IP Royal proxy, as well as homologging anti-detect browser and respondent IO. I've been able to earn 3,500 in the last 1 year, but keep in mind that I'm not even promoting high commission products. If I was promoting high affiliate programs like I intend to do in the future, I could be making 1,000 to 1,500 a month. Now, to start affiliate marketing, you just need to find affiliate programs in your niche. Just go to Google and type affiliates programs in your niche. So, for example, if you're in the fitness niche, you'll just type best affiliate programs in fitness. You'll find brands like Onit and My Protein that sell supplements for holistic health. You can also find products on ClickBank, Amazon, Share a Sale, and even CJ Affiliate. Just make sure the product you choose resonates well with your audience so it becomes easier to convert. Tell me in the comment section if you want me to make a video about affiliate marketing. I'll also leave a link of a video by Think Media about how affiliate marketing works in the video description. Number 2 is sponsorships. Let me be honest, I got my first sponsorship when I reached 900 subscribers. I was paid $35 to do a 5-minute video about a certain brand. At the time, I thought I had won a jackpot, but later realized that I was underpaid, and if I was serious, I could have gotten better sponsorships. For those that don't understand what sponsorships are, sponsorship is when a brand pays you to create a video about them or their product. It is a form of marketing called influencer marketing. Brands understand that viewers trust creators or influencers more when it comes to recommending products. Although sponsorships are more common with big creators, there are many brands that prefer to work with small creators, also called mini or micro influencers. This is because of cost-related issues, but also because micro-influencers consistently deliver strong engagement because they have a stronger connection with their followers. Let me show you some of the sponsorship I have recently gotten. But you don't have to wait for brands to reach out with sponsorships. Just find products you're already using and write them an email requesting partnership. For example, if you are in the beauty niche, you can reach out to brands like Garnier, Nice and Lovely, or Miadi. As a small creator, I don't recommend reaching out to big brands because often they work with big influencers and also get a lot of proposals. Start with small brands, and once your videos start getting enough views, bigger brands will reach out with better offers. To attract sponsorships as a small creator, it is important to niche down. This tells brands that your audience is more likely to be interested in their specific products or services. For example, a skincare brand is more likely to partner with a small creator focused on acne solutions for teens than a general lifestyle creator. This is because the former audience is specifically seeking solutions the brands offer. The third way to make money as a small channel before hitting 1000 subscribers is to sell digital product. This is my favorite way to make money online. So let me start by defining what digital products are. A digital product is an intangible item existing in digital form. It's created once and distributed electronically without physical inventory. It can be something like an ebook, a software, music, courses, templates, or even digital art. So once you create it, you can sell it infinite times without needing to ship it. To create a digital product, I need you to think about your audience. What problems do they face? Let's say you are in the cooking niche targeting busy moms with young families. The biggest challenge is most likely coming up with delicious, easy meals that both kids and adults will love. This means you can create an ebook about easy dinner recipes kids and parents love. This way, it becomes very easy to promote the ebook in your YouTube videos. If you're in the make money niche, you can create a $0 to $5,000 guide targeting professionals looking to make money online. But make sure to always offer value and be truthful. Don't promise something you can't deliver. For instance, don't sell a $0 to $5,000 guide, yet you have never made money online. This will only discredit you and you won't be able to sell the digital product. So you'll have wasted your time. And if you want me to make a video about how to create and sell digital products, tell me in the comment section. You can also check out Molly Kesa to learn more about how digital products work. And if you want to learn how to come up with infinite video ideas, watch this video here.